Hey Jake, what happens when your swing arm does what?
You get right there.
Breakage. That's nice.
You're pushing your brake line. Oh no.
For sale, 1/6 over swing arm. Oh.
No, the brake line's not on this side. Is it? It's red.
Whoopsie daisies. Broken swing arm. That's the hazards of going fast, Jake. I think we can fix it.
Oh yeah. Fourth gear, so crazy.
Oh,
Fourth gear.
what do you want me to fucking do?
This is how we work out in the dunes. Oh yeah, get the triceps, get the biceps, get the shoulders, shrugs, get some deadlifts. Gotta get this old bad boy back to camp. Back axle broke off. Swing arm broke. Good thing we got a 4x4 quad out here. Get some straps. Now that thing's gonna look pretty on the back of that 4x4. Brute force. Brute force that broke that off. Hey, got his Banshee backpack on, not tight.